Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, communication process and content. Have you ever had an argument with your partner where it feels like you're fighting over minor details? You said the blue one. No, I said the green one. And then it becomes a fight over whose version of the story is right? This style of right fighting can lead to major relationship ruptures. Why? Because you're both sending the message that the content of the discussion is more important than the process of how you're sharing that information. The process of communication is really a statement about how you feel about your partner. And sadly, the process you choose can leave him or her wondering, do I even matter to you? So try the following tips. Think process first, content second. When you focus on the process of communication, you're making your relationship the priority. In addition, you're sending the following positive messages. You matter to me. I'm interested in what you have to say. Being in a relationship with you is more important than being right. It doesn't mean that you have to agree with what your partner is saying in the moment. You can listen to the whole story with respect, curiosity, and without interruption. If the content is more minor in nature, you might respond like this. I'm hearing you say that you wanted the green one. You probably did say that and I misheard you. When you let go of your version of the story during these routine discussions, you're sending the message that your relationship's the priority. And when the topic of discussion turns to bigger events like money or parenting, understand that your partner will have a different view than you. Believe it or not, that's one of the reasons you chose one another. Your partner might suggest something that you hadn't even thought of, so stay open and curious. Agree to have a dialogue about the specific topic where you each share your ideas while the other listens fully. Brainstorming with your partner could yield a solution that neither of you would have discovered individually. Conversely, if you rigidly defend your thinking, you will each cease to grow. As the poet Rumi said, there's a field out there beyond right thinking and wrong thinking. I will meet you there. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.